How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all messages on WhatsApp. So open up WhatsApp and in the top right press on the three dots and then open up your settings. From here you want to come down and choose the chat sub menu and then scroll down to the very bottom where it says chat history, and then as you can see the last option, delete all chats. Press on that and here it'll bring up this menu that confirms for you to delete all chats, and then you also have the option to delete media received, so just delete the photos and videos that are in them chats. So you can tick it if you want and then simply press delete chats and then it'll process and delete everything. So we'll come in and check. And as you can see it's cleared. So that's how to delete all messages on WhatsApp.